Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create kids activity books using Canva. So kids activity books are full of fun learning pages like coloring, mazes, matching games, tracing letters or numbers. So they're perfect for teachers, parents, or even selling online. So first you can just open Canva and create a new design. You can choose an A4 document if you plan to print, or US letter if you're in the US. So these sizes are perfect for activity books. And for kids books, you need to keep things simple and you need to use big shapes, bold outlines, fun but readable fonts. So avoid super dark colors if the pages will be printed. So first, here you can, for coloring pages like this, you can go to the elements and search for coloring page or outline illustrations to get these elements without color. You can just click on CL and add the graphics. So for example, I'm going to add get this ones right here. So you can just put it in the page just like this. You're on bear, let's say, like this. And now for the mazes or games, like this one, maze puzzle. So Canva has tons of ready-made elements, so you can just customize it. You can just search for in here maze, for example, and you can add it into here. So let's replace this one. For example, I'm going to go with this one. You can adjust the size and change the color if needed, like this. And now for tracing pages, you can use dotted fonts or shape like this to create alphabet and also line tracing pages like this. And next, once you finish one page, you can just duplicate it. You can just change the content but keep the same layout. So this will save tons of time and makes your book look consistent. And now you can just add a fun cover. So go back to the first page and add another one in here. Move it up. So you can just add cover. So I'm going to just use templates from Canva in here for the cover. Let's say this one. For example, I'm going to just go with kids activity book. Like this. So cover makes a huge difference, so you need to make sure that your cover look interesting. So when you're done, you can just go to share and click on download and choose PDF standard or PDF print for printing, or just standard for digital use. So enable crop marks only if you need them. So guys, that's how you can create kids activity books using Canva. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.